Here's how we can share photos from iPhone to Android using Quick Share. So let me show you how it could work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So first of all, the iPhones have AirDrop, the Samsungs or Android phones have the Quick Share, and it usually doesn't work well between each other. That's why on both devices, I need to download an app which is called Send Anywhere. It's a freely available app which you can get on the iPhone's App Store as well as on the Google Play Store. And this application allows me to connect these devices even though they are on different operating systems. So in practical terms, once I have everything downloaded, the way that it would work is that I open up my gallery on the iPhone, right? I just look up some photos which I want to share, make it full screen and tap share. And from the available options, like it shows me the messages, email, and so on. But from the available options, I might as well just tap on more if I don't see it, but I want to find the Send Anywhere app. And if I click on it, it's going to grab the photo, it's going to generate a 6-digit code, which I can then type in on the Android phone. So on the Android, I open up the Send Anywhere app as well, open up the application, click on Receive, and type in the code, which, as you can see, will expire in about 10 minutes, so I have to be kind of quick with it. And then if it's all right, then it's going to move the photo or video over to the Android, and it's going to work just fine. Keep in mind that it's working well for different file types, not just photos and videos, so you can share some different stuff over. And this is nice because it works on literally any platform or with any file. So I usually use this if I want to transfer something wirelessly between my devices. So I would really love to hear your feedback below. If it works for you, just let me know about it by hitting the thumbs up or just leave a comment below. For now, that's it, and I'll see you in the future uploads.